Let me show you what YouTube looks like on the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So both these watches can also literally play YouTube videos. But to be able to do that, you have to actually download the browser. So if you go in the Play Store, if you, for example, search for YouTube, it only will pull up the YouTube music, where we can't actually watch videos. So what you have to do, you simply have to search for a browser. Internet browser. And you see, you simply have to install the Samsung browser. So click install, it will get downloaded and installed on your watch. And once you have it installed, you can open it up. And you see you have kind of shortcut here to YouTube. Also, you can obviously use it as a browser as well. So if you click here, the YouTube will open up. So let me zoom in. So, and for example, this is what it looks like. It will give you suggested like videos. So essentially looks the same as like on a phone or desktop. So if you pull from the side, you can get access to the search option here. Okay. So for example, let's click on something. Let's compare the Samsung S25 versus a brand new iPhone 17. And obviously, since it has got a speaker, you can also, have a quite enjoyable experience with this one. We can also make it full screen. And also we can go forward. Just as the controls are kinda. Okay. But still, when it comes to overall usability and how fast and how rapid basically it feels, yeah, the S25 I see it's definitely kind of hard to click since it's so small. Very, very capable phones when it comes to camera department. However, overall, I would actually give a win to the iPhone. The wired reverse. So yeah, when it comes to battery life, actually, even though. So yeah, it's actually quite impressive. We can only get YouTube on a watch. That's absolutely crazy, really. Samsung S26 is finally here. You can also, for example, see comments here. And 512 gigabytes of storage. Yeah, just that the navigation is kind of very fiddly on it. So you can definitely also open, for example, the comment section here. You can also watch shorts, obviously. Okay, good luck.